Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on repairing the contacts of your Thermomix TM5. In this tutorial, we will cover everything you need to know to successfully complete this repair. Let's get started. First, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a set of spanners. You will also need a soft cloth and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Begin by unplugging your Thermomix TM5 from the mains. Safety is paramount, so ensure that the appliance is completely disconnected before proceeding. Next, remove the base of the Thermomix. Use your Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the screws located at the bottom. There are typically 4 screws that need to be removed. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently lift the base off. You may need to use a flathead screwdriver to pry it open if it's stuck. Be careful not to damage any clips or connectors. Now you will see the internal components of the Thermomix. Locate the contact points, which are usually situated near the motor. Inspect these contacts for any signs of wear or damage. If they appear dirty, use your soft cloth and isopropyl alcohol to clean them thoroughly. This can often resolve issues without the need for further repairs. If the contacts are damaged, you may need to replace them. This is where having the right tools comes in handy. Use your spanners to carefully detach the damaged contacts. Take note of how they are connected, as you will need to replicate this when installing the new ones. If you're unsure about replacing the contacts yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assess the situation and provide you with a quote before repair, ensuring you know exactly what to expect. Once you have replaced the contacts, it's time to reassemble your Thermomix. Carefully place the base back onto the unit, ensuring that all clips and connectors are aligned properly. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely with your Phillips screwdriver. Before plugging your Thermomix back in, take a moment to clean any excess dust or debris from the interior. This will help maintain the appliance's performance and longevity. Now, plug your Thermomix TM5 back into the mains and test it. If everything is functioning correctly, congratulations! You have successfully repaired the contacts. If you encounter any issues during this process, or if it seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home. This means you don't have to worry about transporting your appliance. We'll handle it for you. Plus, with no calls and no travel, it's a hassle-free solution. In summary, repairing the contacts of your Thermomix TM5 can be a straightforward task with the right tools and guidance. Always prioritize safety and cleanliness during the process. If you need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out for professional help. Thank you for following this guide, and we hope your Thermomix is back to its best in no time. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.